Are you ready to try your luck in January 2024? Whether you're a regular lottery player or just feeling a bit lucky, this is your chance to connect with the universe and bring abundance into your life. Numbers have a special kind of magic. They resonate with vibrations that can change your fortune, and many believe that choosing the right combination can unlock incredible opportunities. We've gathered 10 lucky numbers that could be your ticket to winning big this January. When we talk about lucky numbers, we aren't just mentioning random digits. These numbers carry powerful meanings and vibrations that align with different aspects of life, including prosperity, success, love, and spiritual growth. By incorporating these numbers into your lottery picks or even meditating on them, you may find yourself connecting with the energy that they represent. It's all about intention and the magic you create within yourself to attract what you desire. 1. Number 3. The number 3 is often associated with creativity, joy, and abundance. It is believed to bring a lighthearted energy that attracts positive outcomes. In many cultures, the number 3 is considered a powerful symbol of growth, inspiration, and manifestation. If you're looking for a lucky number to add to your combination, consider picking the number 3 to help bring a bit of extra magic into your life. This number also embodies the essence of communication, helping you express your desires to the universe more clearly and effectively. The number 3 is also seen as a representation of harmony, often linked to the concept of the mind, body, and spirit working together. When you focus on the number 3, you can invite a sense of wholeness and balance into your life. It reminds you that true abundance comes when you align your creative thoughts with positive action, allowing joy and prosperity to flow effortlessly. Adding this number to your lottery ticket may just be the positive energy boost you need. Furthermore, number 3 is known to foster social connections, making it an excellent choice if you wish to strengthen bonds with friends or family while pursuing prosperity together. The vibrancy of number 3 also helps in staying optimistic, motivating you to pursue your dreams without hesitation. Its energy inspires creativity in all aspects of your life, making it easier for you to identify opportunities that others might overlook. 2. Number 7. Considered one of the luckiest numbers in many cultures, number 7 is associated with spirituality, wisdom, and divine guidance. If you're feeling the need for a bit of cosmic luck on your side, number 7 could be just the number you need. It's known to bring a sense of purpose and direction, and many believe it holds the key to good fortune and success. The number 7 is often linked to introspection and inner awareness. When you choose this number, you may find yourself more in tune with your intuition and more open to receiving messages from the universe. It is a number that encourages you to go within, listen to your inner voice, and trust in the journey that lies ahead. By incorporating the number 7 into your combination, you can invite spiritual insights that guide you to the right choices and opportunities. Additionally, a number 7 is often seen as a symbol of good luck in overcoming obstacles, making it a powerful ally for navigating life's challenges with grace and determination. Its energy also aligns you with deeper knowledge and wisdom, allowing you to understand your life purpose more clearly. Choosing number 7 is a step toward aligning yourself with the cosmic flow, increasing the likelihood of serendipity events and moments of clarity that guide you on the path to success. 3. Number 8. The number 8 is the ultimate symbol of abundance and prosperity. It represents infinity and the never-ending flow of energy, making it a powerful number for attracting wealth and success. Number 8 is particularly lucky when it comes to finances, so if your goal is to hit the jackpot, this number could be your best bet. The energy of 8 is all about achieving your dreams and making progress. Number 8 is also seen as a number of balance, representing the harmony between the material and spiritual realms. By focusing on this number, you are aligning yourself with the infinite possibilities of the universe. It encourages you to take action toward your goals while trusting in the natural flow of abundance. When you embrace the power of 8, you set yourself on a path toward not only financial success, but also a deeper sense of fulfillment. Furthermore, the symmetrical shape of the number 8 symbolizes balance and stability, which are essential qualities for maintaining long-term wealth and happiness. The number 8 also resonates with ambition and determination, urging you to keep pushing forward, no matter the challenges. Its energy acts as a magnet for financial opportunities, helping you stay motivated and confident as you work toward your goals. 4. Number 11. Number 11 is considered a master number, often connected to intuition, spiritual awakening, and enlightenment. This number carries a high vibration and is believed to bring divine blessings. It's an excellent number to include if you want to manifest something extraordinary and unexpected. Trust in the magic of 11 to bring surprises and synchronicities your way. The number 11 is all about tapping into your inner wisdom and trusting in the guidance that comes from your higher self. It is a number that opens doors to spiritual growth and encourages you to stay true to your purpose. By incorporating number 11 into your picks, you are inviting a sense of wonder and magic into your life. This number reminds you that you have the power to create miracles and manifest incredible outcomes, especially when you align your energy with the universe's higher frequencies. Additionally, number 11 is known to amplify the energies of other numbers, making it a powerful addition to any combination for those seeking a profound shift in their life circumstances. The energy of number 11 also inspires you to live authentically, encouraging you to embrace your true self and express your uniqueness. By trusting the guidance of number 11, you can move closer to your true destiny and make meaningful contributions to the world around you. 5. Number 17. The number 17 combines the luck of number 1 with the spiritual guidance of number 7, making it a very powerful number. It signifies positive changes, progress, and good fortune. If you're looking for a number that symbolizes new beginnings and the support of the universe, number 17 is a great choice to include in your picks for January. Number 17 is also a reminder that every positive action you take brings you closer to your goals. It represents the journey of personal growth, resilience, and trust in the process of life. When you see or use the number 17, take it as a sign that you are on the right path and that the universe is supporting your efforts. This number is perfect for anyone looking to make a fresh start and receive a boost of luck to help them along the way. Furthermore, the number 17 is believed to attract opportunities that align with your higher purpose, encouraging you to embrace change and pursue your dreams fearlessly. Number 17 also symbolizes the courage to overcome challenges and stay committed to your goals, even when things get tough. Its energy inspires you to rise above limitations and push forward with confidence, trusting that success is within reach. 6. Number 21. Number 21 is often linked to celebration, success, and achievement. It carries a joyful energy that resonates with accomplishment and happiness. If you're hoping to start the new year with a winning streak, number 21 can help bring that victorious energy into your life. It symbolizes the completion of goals and the rewards that come from hard work. Number 21 also encourages you to remain optimistic and keep a positive outlook, even during challenging times. It embodies the spirit of triumph and the joy of overcoming obstacles. By focusing on number 21, you are inviting the energy of celebration and success into your life. It's a reminder that your efforts will be rewarded and that happiness and prosperity are well within reach. Additionally, number 21 is seen as a symbol of teamwork and collaboration, making it an ideal choice if you're working with others toward a common goal or seeking to strengthen partnerships that can lead to shared success. Number 21 also serves as a reminder to celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Its joyful energy helps to maintain motivation, inspiring you to continue striving for your goals and savoring every achievement along the way. 7. Number 25. The number 25 combines the nurturing energy of number 2 with the adventurous spirit of number 5. This number is associated with positive change, freedom, and personal growth. It's a lucky number that encourages you to take risks and embrace new opportunities. Including 25 in your lucky numbers could help bring exciting new prospects your way. Number 25 also symbolizes the importance of adaptability and openness to new experiences. It invites you to step out of your comfort zone and embrace the unknown. The energy of this number is all about growth through adventure and the excitement of trying something new. By including number 25 in your lottery picks, you are signaling to the universe that you are ready for positive change and willing to take bold steps to manifest your dreams. Furthermore, number 25 is often linked to the idea of transformation, making it an excellent choice for those looking to reinvent themselves and create a new chapter filled with prosperity and success. The energy of number 25 also brings a sense of curiosity and excitement, inspiring you to view life as an adventure full of possibilities and opportunities. It encourages you to trust in your ability to navigate change with confidence and grace. 8. Number 33. Number 33 is another master number, often called the master teacher. It carries the energy of compassion, blessings, and inspiration. If you're seeking guidance from the universe and want a number that can amplify your luck, number 33 is an excellent choice. It's a number that embodies generosity and the idea of giving and receiving blessings. The number 33 is also linked to higher consciousness and the desire to serve others. It represents the idea that true success comes from uplifting those around you and sharing your gifts with the world. By focusing on number 33, you can tap into a higher purpose and invite blessings not only for yourself, but for those around you. It is a powerful reminder that abundance grows when we approach life with an open heart and a spirit of generosity. Additionally, number 33 is known to amplify the power of love and compassion, making it an ideal number for those looking to create a positive impact in their communities while attracting wealth and success. The energy of number 33 also encourages you to stay connected to your values and to lead by example, inspiring others through your actions and kindness. By embracing this number, you invite deeper fulfillment and purpose into your life, making your journey toward prosperity more meaningful. 9. Number 40. The number 40 represents stability, foundation, and patience. It is often considered a number of completion and fulfillment. If you're looking for a number that brings a sense of security and a steady flow of luck, number 40 is a great choice. It symbolizes the idea of building something solid and long-lasting, which is ideal if you're aiming for a jackpot win that can change your life. Number 40 also encourages patience and perseverance. It reminds you that true success often comes from dedication and hard work over time. By including number 40 in your lottery picks, you are inviting a steady and reliable energy that can help you stay focused on your goals. It's a number that reassures you that your efforts will pay off, and that abundance is a result of laying a strong foundation. Furthermore, number 40 is often associated with protection and stability, making it an excellent choice for ensuring that the wealth you attract is sustainable and well-guarded. The energy of number 40 also helps you maintain a disciplined approach, ensuring that you stay on track even when the journey is challenging. It embodies the essence of long-term success, encouraging you to build a prosperous future step by step. 10. Number 49. The number 49 is connected to transformation, growth, and new opportunities. It combines the practical energy of number 4 with the mystical qualities of number 9. This number is believed to bring about positive changes and help manifest your deepest desires. If you're looking for a number that symbolizes the journey towards success and fulfillment, 49 is a great pick. Number 49 also represents the culmination of efforts and the rewards that come from embracing change. It encourages you to trust in the process of transformation and to remain open to the new possibilities that arise. By focusing on number 49, you are aligning yourself with the energy of growth and personal evolution. It's a reminder that every effort you make brings you closer to your dreams and that the universe supports you every step of the way. Additionally, number 49 is often linked to the energy of completion and renewal, making it an excellent choice for those looking to close an old chapter and begin anew with optimism and hope. The energy of number 49 also symbolizes resilience and the courage to embrace change, helping you navigate life's transitions with strength and positivity. It inspires you to view every ending as a new beginning, filled with opportunities to grow and prosper. Final thoughts. Choosing the right combination of numbers can be a powerful way to align yourself with the energy of abundance and good fortune. The numbers we've shared, 3, 7, 8, 11, 17, 21, 25, 33, 40, and 49, are all connected to positive vibrations and have been known to bring luck and prosperity. Remember, the power of these numbers lies not only in their symbolism, but also in their possibility to draw you toward reliance. When you choose your numbers with intention, you create a powerful connection between yourself and the universe, inviting luck and abundance into your life. If you found these lucky numbers intriguing, consider subscribing to our channel for more insights into numerology, manifestation, and the spiritual meanings behind numbers. Let us know in the comments if these numbers have resonated with you, or if you've had any success using them. Together, we can explore the magic of numbers and invite abundance and prosperity into our lives. Remember, the key is to maintain a positive mindset and remain open to the possibilities that the universe has in store for you. Each of these numbers carries a unique energy that can help guide you toward your goals. By using them intentionally, you are signaling to the universe that you are ready to receive the abundance that life has to offer. Whether you choose one or all of these numbers, remember that the most important factor is your own belief and intention. Stay open, stay positive, and trust in the magic of numbers to lead you to the prosperity you seek. Keep your heart and mind aligned with your goals, and watch as the universe responds in ways that bring you closer to your dreams. Let's make January 2024 a month of incredible luck, success, and abundance for all of us.